High energy, high income. Welcome billionaires, millionaires to my channel. I go by the name called Uwakwe, a real estate authority based here in Owerri, and I'll be showing you this road. This is a newly constructed road by Governor Uzodima. If you know Way House and if you know Olu Road by Rapour Junction, this is the road leading from Rapour Junction all the way to Onitsha Owerri Expressway. So I want you to watch the video to the end and let me know what you think about this road. Tell me if it did a good job, and also let me know if you're going to be investing in Owerri, because we have lots of properties right now for investment, especially lands and duplexes. Okay, watch the video to the end and leave a comment below. And if this is your first time watching my video, kindly subscribe to my channel and like and comment. And if you're a returning subscriber, just like and leave a positive comment. Okay, yeah, because I do this from my heart. Okay, let me know what you think about this video. Okay.